y'all, aka Jelana, and I'm coming to y'all with a hair review from Model Hair Fashion. So they sent me hair, and I'm gonna give all them details in the next couple of clips. Like when I first got the hair, y'all gonna see that. But this is the end result. Probably 70% of the end result. I still have to slay edges. I still gotta re-dip ends. I was in a rush completely. So my end thoughts or overall review about this hair, I really do like it. The color is super vibrant. It's the color otburg. Everything will be listed in the description box. And yeah, their company is really good. The hair is soft. It's very, you know, it ain't stiff. Hello. I don't think any braiding hair is stiff, but you know, I mean, if they don't dip it, it might be. Who knows? But yeah, I didn't wash this hair either, so it might have tangled a lot more while I was braiding it. It kind of tangled up a little bit, but if you actually follow the directions, because I was in a rush, once again, I have to keep saying that, it might not tangle as much. I'm sure it won't. So yeah, it tells you what to do all up on the packaging. So yes, I don't know, I like this color on me. Alright y'all, so I will see y'all in the next video, and peace.
Yeah, yeah. Nah, 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 nah. Yeah. It's body, baby, oh. Body, baby, oh. Nah, 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 nah. Yeah. It's your happy day. It's your wedding day. Make we celebrate, oh. Make we celebrate, oh. To make you dance, dance. And make you move, move. Make you dance, dance. And make you move, move. Ibadi elulu. Ganga oh, Ibadi elulu, jeje. Ibadi elulu, ganga oh, Ibadi elulu, jeje. So I go give you daughter, she go call you mommy, and she go call me daddy, and we go call her baby oh. Oh, I fell and saw, hey, show my bami lord, leo, leo. Be your man tonight, tonight, and I just wanna be the one you like, you like. Money, go far, like Ojo. Say I want you to be mine. Money, go far, like Ojo. Say I want you to be mine. Oh. It's your happy day, it's your wedding day. Make we celebrate, oh. Make we celebrate, oh. To make you dance, dance, and make you move, move. Make you dance, dance, and make you move, move. Ibadi elulu, ganga oh. Ibadi elulu, jeje. Ibadi elulu, ganga oh. Ibadi elulu, jeje. Baby oh, baby oh, baby oh. I just want you to be my lady, yeah. What God has joined together, let no man put us under, yeah. Baby oh, baby oh, baby oh. I'll give you love and affection. I'll give you love and protection. Money, go far, like Ojo. Say I want you to be mine. Money, go far, like Ojo. Say I want you to be mine. Oh. It's your happy day, it's your wedding day. Make we celebrate, oh. Make we celebrate, oh. To make you dance, dance, and make you move, move. Make you dance, dance, and make you move, move. Ibadi elulu, ganga oh. Ibadi elulu, jeje. Ibadi elulu, ganga oh. Ibadi elulu, jeje. Ah, oh, yeah. Kejo, kejo. Let's go, let's go. Auntie Miko, come on, brother Miko, come on, sister Miko, come on, uncle Miko, come on. It's your happy day, it's your wedding day. Make we celebrate, oh. Make we celebrate, oh. To make you dance, dance, and make you move, move. Make you dance, dance, and make you move, move. Ibadi elulu, ganga oh. Ibadi elulu, jeje. Ibadi elulu, ganga oh. Ibadi elulu, jeje.
hope you can hear me. I look like complete trash, but I'm going to be doing my hair today because this little ugly old bun is not going to work because, I don't know, I haven't really deep conditioned, thoroughly did my hair in a while, probably like 2 weeks. So it's time to do something with it, and I'm going to get into braids. Y'all know that's my thing. I do braids like probably every other month or so. So we're back to the braids, and I didn't even plan on doing it this morning or yesterday. I was just like, I don't know what to do my hair, so we're gonna do it. But I'm doing a hair review for a company called Model Hair, Model Fashion, and they sent me burgundy braiding hair, and they also sent me an extra long piece to do something creative, and I will probably do that one in another video. But as far as now, I can only come up with box braids. So this is the package that it came in. I said Model Hair, Model Fashion. I meant Model Hair Fashion. This is the big old box it came in. So I'm gonna open this and then I'll show y'all what it looks like. They gave me 8 packs of the otburg. This is what the hair looks like. It looks burgundy on the screen, or maybe it's the light that I'm in where I'm seeing purple. But it's an ombre, so it starts like your natural hair color at the top and then burgundy at the bottom. You see their brand, Model Africana braid, 48-inch. The density is Africana special color collection. So, this is human hair texture. It's easy to brush and separate. You can curl it in hot water. It's tangle free, flame retardant, and they have washing instructions. I don't want to wash this hair because I'm lazy. But they do have the instructions on the back. So yeah, they also sent me a huge pack of hair. Like I said in the beginning, it's very thick, y'all. Like, y'all, it's super thick. So for my next video, I will figure out what to do with this hair. I have no idea, but it's gonna be fun. But this is a natural black color. It's not burgundy or anything. So yeah, they just wanted me to do something creative with it, and I'm gonna figure it out. So I'll be back and show y'all how I'm doing it, you know, or whatever. See y'all.